Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Alright, so last time I demonstrated how to make your own almond milk. So today I'm going to dive in and show you how to make almond ice cream. Alright, so usually when I make this recipe, I basically make it from coconut milk and with cashews. But I'm interested in diving more into how to make it with almonds and walnuts. So I'm going to walk you through what I'm doing, or what I did, because I already did, I froze it. All right, so let's just dive in and let me show you what I did. So I took the almond milk that I made and I measured out the cup. So I actually have ice cream maker that I'm going to be using today. So usually I'll measure out of my almond milk. I will usually fill it up to almost a line because I'm going to be adding some dates. So I don't fill it up all the way. So that's probably a little bit over a cup. And then my dates, I use about 4 dates and I usually soak them ahead of time. So these actually need the seeds removed. So I'm just gonna do that really quickly. Just dump that in there. So I used about 4 this time because you know what? I was like, I just wanted it to be really sweet. Hopefully that did not. You want to make sure you're removing these pitted parts. They can tear your blender up and mess up your teeth and you don't get them out good. All right, so that's 3. And then I'm also going to be taking the 4th one. All right, and then the next thing I do is take like a little cup of this. I can measure out a teaspoon, but I just fill it, till like it looks there. I don't need tons of vanilla, so like almost a cap full. And then I need to grab a napkin, guys. Okay, and the last thing I do is take literally like a pinch of salt, like a little bit in my hands and put it in there. And then I blend this up really good. Let me make sure the top is on. And I blend it up really good. So I'm not gonna totally do that on here, but you get the idea. So I used like almost a cup of milk, 4 dates, like a cup, not even a cup, like a top full of the vanilla, and a pinch of salt. All right, so after I do that, I take that finished concoction, I pour it in here, and I freeze this. So this has been in the freezer for over a day. I then take it in, and I'm gonna pull my ice cream maker up for you. I actually have a Ninja ice cream maker. Now, you could probably do the same recipe, and you can put it in ice trays and then blend it. I'll probably show you how to do that also. But just for time's sake, I'm going to just show you how I get this, how I put it in there. All right, so I just want to make sure that's on good. My lid. You guys, I haven't used this in like sad to say, in like a year. All right, and then you screw that on there. Okay, so I'll lock that in place. And now this Ninja has some different parts. I'm going to do the ice cream. So I'm going to turn that on and hit that. Ooh. I don't love that sound, guys. So sorry about that. All right, so while that's doing that, I'm going to just rinse out this cup. So when it gets on here, it will be done. Goes from the 1st through the 4th. All right, so now it's done. It's coming back down. And if you notice, when I fill this cup, I usually have a little left over. I'm going to show you what I do with a little bit. Well, not all of it, a little bit of what's left over. I'm going to show you what I do. All right. Taking a little longer than I thought, but nevertheless, it's almost done. All right, bada bing, bada bong. Actually, I gotta figure out, it's been a while, so maybe I have to hit power. Okay, you guys, I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Why is it? Oh, duh. I told you it's been about a year, so I had to push this button. I don't know if I can show you this. I had to push that button to unlock it. All right, that unlocks it. And now I'm going to show you. It's a button to pull the lid off. And see how it is? It's not as creamy. I'm going to then add a little bit of the leftover milk. And so I want to show you what it looks like when I add the leftover milk. That'll just go in there. I could just eat it like this, kind of stir it and eat it like this. But actually what I'm going to do, guys, this is just so good. First of all, you don't have all the preservatives in the ice cream that you buy from the store. It's just so easy. But I'm going to add a little bit more liquid and I'm going to send it. Okay. I'm going to add just a little bit more because I want like a creamy texture. So I'm going to send it through one more time. And I'll just show you guys that. Oh. Actually, sorry guys. Forget it. The way I have to do it sometimes. Put that lid on. All right, I'm going to run it through one more time. So I want to show you guys how it looks. It's kind of going to make it a long video, but it'll go through a little quicker this time. And drink some of the milk. So if you look at this too, it has ice cream. You can do a sorbet. You can do a light ice cream, or you can do a milkshake. I usually always just go for the ice cream mixture because I just like, right now that it's summertime, it's just I crave ice cream so much. But like I said, with the other ice cream, you would have to worry about, the preservatives. Also, people are so concerned about if they're going to gain weight or not. This is just the easier, healthier way. So I'm showing you on this video how to use the Ninja. I think with the next video that I do the ice cream recipe, maybe I'll make key lime ice cream, key lime pie ice cream, and maybe I'll show you how to do that in the ice trays. I'll decide, and then I'll present it. I'll decide which ice cream I'm going to do, and then I'll present it because it's so easy to eat nutritiously, guys. All right, so then I gotta push this button again. Take the lid off. Now I want you guys to see it's creamy now. I have my creamy ice cream. I just want to stir it a little bit. Kind of blend that in a little. But as you can see, ice cream that you would buy out the store. How long did that take me? I mean, the almond juice takes no time to make. And then the ice cream, once it's frozen, I put it in here. It was 2 spins today, right? And I know what's in it, and it's healthy. The ice cream always makes me feel like I'm so greedy because I kind of slurp it down. All right, so if you would have anything that you add, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. I'll put the recipe below on YouTube so you can kind of see the mixture. It's really quick and easy. Like I said, Make your own ice cream. It's healthier, and you kind of, I don't want to say you don't have to watch your waist. It's just that you won't regret it in the long run because you actually know what's in it. And like for me, I'm just eating this today. I think it's going on like 3 o'clock, and I'm kind of just having my breakfast, and this is my breakfast. So until next time, you guys, have a great taste.